For the last part, I'm going to show you how to create a multi-camera view in the single video. For that, make sure you already have all the files ready in your library, and now we're simply going to drag them one by one on the timeline. Alright. Now, in order to resize them, for the convenience, let's just turn off the top layers. Try to resize and position them. And make sure you're holding the Shift key while resizing your videos. So simply by double clicking on every video and resizing it, rescaling it, then you'll be able to reposition each video separately. Now, once you're satisfied with the composition, that's basically it. You can start playing the videos. As you can see, it is pretty simple. Now, whether you want one of the videos to appear first and the other later depends on your initial idea, but in case you want to do it, you just have to reposition the videos on the timeline. So now you can see that now every new video appears at a different time, and this is only one way of doing it. And now you can play with either transitions or many other effects. One of the videos can appear first, it can zoom in, zoom out, have a different scale, and etc. And at this point you can just play around with various options. And lastly, I'm going to show you how to add images over your videos and how to edit them, and finally how to work with multi-camera source items. Now, working with images in Adobe Premiere is pretty much as working with videos. You just have to import them by simply dragging and dropping them into your project tab, and then let's have one of the videos on our timeline, and suppose I want to add the image over the video. What I have to do is basically drag it on the top layer of our video. Now, as you can see, it appeared over the top, and now I will be able to just manipulate its size and scale and position just the same way as I would do with the videos. Simply just double click on the image and resize. Now we can decide over his position. And as you can see, now we have an image of our choice over the video. At this point you can add any kind of effects, transitions, fading, make it dissolve, appear at a different time, and it's completely up to you. And finally, I would like to share with the feature of Adobe Premiere Pro CS6, which is called a multi-camera. And which multi-camera basically does is stitching several videos together in the most fast and convenient way, and choosing the sequence, when one of the videos should start and when the other should end. For doing that, let's just first clean the timeline from everything else, then go back to our project tab and shift click all the videos that we want to contain in that multi-camera sequence. Once all the videos are selected, by holding our mouse over one of them, we just have to right click and click to create multi-camera source sequence. Now Adobe Premiere will ask in which point you would like to synchronize all those videos, and it will give you three different options. First is in points, which means it will synchronize every video upon its beginning. Out point, which will mean that it will synchronize it when it ends. And basically you can name it as any other item. In this case, let's name it like this. And now you can see a new type of item appeared in your project tab. And what you want to do is just drag and drop that new item on your timeline. And as you can see, it's stitched together not only the video content but also the audio content, because some of these videos apparently had audio recording in them. In this case I don't need the audio, so I'm just going to delete it by right-clicking on the item and unlinking the two. Now I will be able to delete the audio separate from the video. At this point what you want to do is to go to Window and click to multi-camera monitor. This will bring a new window in your screen which shows the leading video. This is the video that you clicked first, and it will begin with this video. And now what you want to do is just click record, and while the whole process is recording, you just have to click to different videos whenever you want the particular video to start and whenever you want it to end and the other one to begin. So basically just click the record and then play the record. And now what I'm going to do is just click on the various videos while they're playing. And when you're finished, just click stop. Now as you can see, the whole process has been recorded, and Adobe Premiere created a sequence based on the order you chose in the multi-camera source window. And that's basically it. Now, as in any other case, you should be able to change again the order of the videos directly from the timeline, or add transitions or any other effects to each of these separate videos.